So today I'm going to show a quick video on how to pack one of these Emerson 77646 pedestal fans. This particular model is a 77646 AW, and it's a 12-inch oscillating pedestal. Now we'll come over to our boxes here, and the white box in the foreground's already got the blade and cage packed in it. It's just a 12-inch pedestal fan, and I'm going to stop the film here and show you a quick picture of that fan as it is assembled. So these boxes, the white one with the blade and cage measures about 16 deep by 16, it's actually 16 wide by 16 deep and about 10 inches high. Now the box I've got in the background that the pedestal's base and the motor that I've got put above it here, which we'll show you here really quick. So we'll pan up to the motor, are going to go in the larger of the two boxes. So the bigger box that we've got down here on the floor, that is about 30 inches. We'll show you the box here really quick. That's about 30 inches wide by about 19 inches front to back and about 16 inches high, as I recall. Anyway, the base and the motor are going to go in that larger box, and I'm going to ship the blade and the cage separately. It's really about the only way you can send one of these things safely through shipping. Now, it probably won't be cheap to ship because this fan is roughly 35 to 40 pounds, and you definitely don't want to try to ship it all assembled because in total it's about 45 to 46 inches high. I know the base is 27 inches tall and the motor is probably about 11.5 to 12.5 inches of height with the motor and all that. So that the motor adds about 12 inches of height to it roughly. And then the blade and cage offer another probably 5 inches to that. So that seems to come to around 44 to 46 inches by my calculations. Anyway, we're going to get this thing packed up. It's just going to be a matter of protecting this as best as I can and packing as much material around the motor and the base in that box as I can to keep them from moving around. And that's the key to shipping an old fan, folks, is plenty of bubble wrap and plenty of packing paper around it to keep it stable. If it moves around, it'll self-destruct in a big hurry through the shipping process. Anyway, hope you all found this helpful. Later.